Hi, today I want to share with you my experience of working with the best service in the best web hosting category. After testing over 24 hosting sites, I chose the most reliable one for myself. This is a feature-rich web hosting service at fantastic prices. In this short video, I will show you a few secrets that few people know about that make it truly one of the best in the best web hosting category. Don't forget to subscribe and watch our other videos. Let's not waste time and get started.
The great thing about networking solutions is how many options they have on their website. You can easily create a website yourself or subscribe to their professional website design services. If you are not ready to create a website yourself, then with this help you will save time, effort, and answer some questions that you may have about web hosting. If you are looking for a web hosting that makes it easy to manage your domain settings, Network Solutions may be the right option for you. If you already have a registered domain elsewhere, Network Solutions includes domain transfer options. All you have to do is enter your domain name on the main website, complete the purchase, and then authorize the transfer. If you're trying to transfer your domain to a new registrar to save money, Network Solutions probably has a more affordable option. The prices are also lower than some of the more popular web hosts. Network Solutions offers many plans at different prices. There are two initial options to choose from: WordPress hosting or cloud hosting. Network Solutions offers 4 standard hosting plans. The starter plan costs $5.69 per month if you sign up for the annual plan. This plan includes 15 GB of storage space, 1 website, and 5 different mailboxes. If you're just getting started building your own website and need something simple, then the beginner's plan is a great option. You can always switch to another plan whenever you need. The Essential plan is a pretty big upgrade over the starter plan with no big difference at $9.96 per month. It comes with 300 GB of storage, up from 15 GB, the ability to run up to 3 websites, and 1,000 mailboxes. It also includes Sidelock, a feature that scans for malware. This plan is advertised as a personal website plan, but it's also great for small businesses. There is plenty of storage space, 3 websites, and your own domain name. The professional plan is great for large businesses, entrepreneurs, and freelancers. It costs $15.78 a month when you subscribe to an annual plan and includes unlimited storage, access to 10 websites, a domain name, and unlimited mailboxes. This plan comes with Sidelock Premium, an automatic malware removal feature. The premium plan is the largest cloud hosting option. For $21.62 a month, it includes everything in the professional plan plus your own SSL certificate. Of all the options available, this is the first plan to offer an SSL certificate. Also, there is not much difference between this plan and the professional plan. The interface is one of the disadvantages of Network Solutions. Unlike other website builders, the interface looks more dated, which might make some people question their templates and services. Unfortunately, it is difficult to figure out how to view the templates available on their website. You have to go to renewal services to even see what template packs are. Also, there is no obvious feature list on their main website, making them difficult to find. The best thing about Network Solutions is how it does its job. You can easily create your own website as soon as you start, and there are tons of drag and drop options to help you save time. In terms of actually building your website, it's simple. However, when it comes to viewing features, Network Solutions can make some improvements. Interface design is the hardest part to navigate. There is no clear list of features that are easy to access. Similar to how templates are hidden, you need to go to the Renew Services tab to find a list of service features. Network Solutions offers add-ons such as CodeGuard and Sidelock that not all competitors provide. If you want to build an accessible website and get it up and running quickly, then Network Solutions is a good option. However, if you are more concerned with how your website looks, you can opt for something with a more updated interface. Network Solutions is a more affordable website builder designed to get the job done quickly. If you don't want to create everything yourself, you can always use the services of a professional web designer. Cloud hosting plans include plenty of storage and email access. However, an SSL certificate is only available when you purchase a premium plan. All in all, Network Solutions is a great place to save on web hosting costs, especially if you're looking to transfer your domain name. They provide a variety of services and make it easy to build your website. You can easily host your website in the cloud or WordPress. Since you can easily change plans, you can always start with something smaller and gradually work your way up as your site grows.